High-Yield Immunology and Serology Review by Happee RMT. Number 1. The cells that Medtech first observed are associated with which phenomenon? A. Innate immunity, B. Adaptive immunity, C. Humoral immunity, or D. Specific immunity. Time's up. Answer is A. Innate immunity. Number 2. Which of the following statements is true of NK cells? A. They rely upon memory for antigen recognition. B. They kill target cells without prior exposure to them. C. They have the same CD groups as B cells. Or D. They are found mainly in lymph nodes. Time's up. Answer is B. They kill target cells without prior exposure to them. Number 3. Which cell is the most potent phagocyte cell in the tissue? A. Dendritic cell, B. Neutrophil, C. Eosinophil, or D. Basophil. Time's up. Answer is A. Dendritic cell. Number 4. A cell characterized by a nucleus with 2 to 5 lobes, a diameter of 10 to 15 UM, and a large number of neutral staining granules is identified as an A. Monocyte, B. Neutrophil, C. Eosinophil, or D. Basophil. Time's up. Answer is B. Neutrophil. Number 5. Where do lymphocytes mainly come in contact with antigens? A. Secondary lymphoid organs, B. Bloodstream, C. Bone marrow, or D. Thymus. Answer is A. Secondary lymphoid organs. Number 6. Which of the following statements best characterizes adaptive immunity? A. It relies on normally present body functions. B. Response is similar for each exposure. C. Specificity for each individual pathogen. Or D. Involves only on cellular immunity. Answer is C. Specificity for each individual pathogen. Number 7. The main function of T cells in the immune response is to A. Produce cytokines that regulate both innate and adaptive immunity. B. Produce antibodies. C. Participate actively in phagocytes. Or D. Respond to target cells without prior exposure. Time's up. Answer is A. Produce cytokines that regulate both innate and adaptive immunity. Number 8. Antigenic groups identified by different sets of antibodies reacting in a similar manner to certain standard cell lines best describes A. Clusters of differentiation, B. Neutrophilic granules, C. Opsonins, or D. Cytokines. Answer is A. Clusters of differentiation. Number 9. All of the following are characteristics of an effective immunogen except A. Large molecular weight, B. Presence of numerous epitopes, C. Internal complexity, or D. Found on host cells. Answer is D. Found on host cells. Number 10. Which best explains the difference between immunogens and antigens? A. Only immunogens can react with antibody. B. Only immunogens can trigger an immune response. C. Only antigens are large enough to be recognized by T cells. Or D. Only antigens are recognized as foreign. Answer is B. Only immunogens can trigger an immune response. Number 11. HLA molecules A, B, and C belong to which MHC class? A class 1, B class 2, C class 3, or D class 4. Time's up. Answer is A class 1. Number 12. The term for enhancement of phagocytosis by coating of foreign particles with serum proteins is A. Solubilization, B. Chemotaxis, C. Opsonization, or D. Agglutination. Answer is C. Opsonization. Number 13. How do cytotoxic T cells kill target cells? A. They produce antibodies that bind to the cell. B. They engulf the cell by phagocytosis. C. They stop protein synthesis in the target cell. Or D. They produce granzymes that stimulate apoptosis. Answer is D. They produce granzymes that stimulate apoptosis. Number 14. Which is a distinguishing feature of a pre-B cell? A. Mutates in the cytoplasm. B. Complete IgM on the surface. C. Presence of CD21 antigen. Or D. Presence of CD25 antigen. Time's up. Answer is A. Mutates in the cytoplasm. Number 15. Where does the major portion of antibody production occur? A. Thymus. B. Lymph node. C. Peripheral blood. Or D. Bone marrow. Time's up. Answer is B. Lymph node. Good job for finishing. See you on the next review.